Science is so cool. You can explain anything with it. Even this magic cupboard. And maybe it can explain where these monsters are coming from. I know we shouldn't do this, but I kind of want it. Oh wow, it's so pretty back there. I wonder if this is where the monsters are coming from.
Fight or flight? What does Kindle choose?
Oh, realize when you're outnumbered and run! Where am I? Where the heck am I? Where am I? How do I get home?
The fight or flight response is triggered when an animal feels threatened, and the aggressive African bullfrog always chooses to stay and fight. Puffing up is a great way to appear bigger. This tough guy clearly is not to be messed with.
Okay, I'm coming. Who is knocking?
I'm home. I'm alive.
Kindle, you're shrunken and in my cupboard. I'm just starting to figure out this cupboard and I don't even have a spell to bring you back to your normal size.
But on the brighter side, I'm so little, I can find all the things you dropped under the couch.
Well, that's all fine and dandy, but I'm gonna have to bring you back. This is a lot of, well, pressure.
One of these things does not belong here. One of these things must go away.
Which one is it?
One of these things does not belong here.
Which one is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5?
He was left all alone. Nobody wanted him because he was different. And then he got eaten by a dinosaur.
Will Beatrice be able to use science to explain Mr. Head's magic? Can Mr. Head find a spell to return Kindle to her normal size?
Hey, my magic feather. I was looking for this.
Can the worlds of magic and science learn to get along? Probably not.
Safety first.
Will Beatrice freak out when she sees me? Stay tuned to find out.